Picture this. You're 3,000 meters beneath the Pacific Ocean. The pressure is so intense it could crush a submarine like a soda can. No light, no warmth, just an endless void where nightmares are born. Yet in this abyss, a creature thrives. A creature so strange, so adorable, it's been dubbed the smiling phantom of the deep. Meet the Bumpy Snailfish, a gelatinous ghost discovered in September 2025 that's rewriting the rules of life. It's not a monster with fangs or claws, but a soft, squishy marvel that laughs in the face of the ocean's crushing hell. Today, on Daily Interesting Animal Mystery, we're diving into the heart of the abyss to uncover its secrets. Why does it smile? How does it survive? And what does it tell us about our own place in the universe? Buckle up. This is going to be a wild, jaw-dropping ride. In the fall of 2025, the Woods Hole Oceanographic Institution sent a robotic submersible into the uncharted depths off California's coast. At 3,000 meters deeper than the Titanic's grave, they spotted something that made jaws drop. A small, translucent blob, no bigger than a grapefruit, floated into view. Its skin was bumpy, almost fluffy, like a cloud sculpted from jelly. Its tiny eyes sparkled, and its mouth curved into what scientists swore was a smile. They named it the Bumpy Snailfish, a cousin to the known snailfish family Leparis fabricea, but unlike anything ever seen. This wasn't just another fish, it was a revelation. The deep sea, where pressure hits 15,000 psi, equivalent to an elephant standing on your thumbnail, should pulverize any living thing. Yet this creature danced through the darkness unbothered. Its discovery, reported in the New York Times, sent ripples through the scientific world. Why? Because it's a living paradox, soft yet invincible, cute yet terrifyingly adapted. Unlike the toothy anglerfish or venomous sea snakes, the bumpy snailfish doesn't need to scare. It survives by being unbreakable. Its body is 90% water, a gelatinous shield that laughs at pressure that would crush steel. Imagine a creature so fluid it flows with the ocean's wrath, bending but never breaking. Let's zoom in on this phantom. The bumpy snailfish is small, about 6 inches long, with a body that looks like it was designed by a sci-fi artist. Its skin is a translucent, jelly-like cloak, dotted with tiny bumps that scientists believe are sensory nodes, feeling the ocean's currents in eternal darkness. Those bumps, they're not just for show, they help detect microscopic prey like copepods and krill, which it slurps up with that eerie, smiling mouth. Its eyes are tiny, almost vestigial because light doesn't exist here. Instead, it relies on a heightened sense of touch and vibration, navigating a world where every move could mean death. Its fins, delicate as gossamer, flutter slowly, conserving energy in a realm where food is scarcer than gold. And here, where it gets wild, its skeleton is barely there, a flexible cartilage frame that makes it immune to the bone-crushing depths. The bumpy snailfish can survive in oxygen levels so low, most creatures would suffocate in seconds. Its blood is packed with antifreeze proteins, letting it thrive in water colder than an Antarctic winter, near 0 degrees C. But what's with the smile? Scientists speculate it's an evolutionary quirk, a mouth shape that maximizes suction for feeding in low-pressure currents. To us, it's a grin that says, "I've conquered the abyss and I'm loving it." This fish isn't just surviving, it's thriving in a place that would kill us in an instant. The deep sea is no fairy tale. It's a crucible where only the toughest survive. At 3,000 meters, the pressure is 300 times that of the surface. Food is a rare treat. Plankton and detritus rain down from above like cosmic snow, maybe once a month. Yet the bumpy snailfish has mastered this hellscape. How? It's a metabolic marvel. Its body burns energy at a snail's pace, pun intended, stretching every calorie like a desert nomad rations water. Its gelatinous body isn't just cute, it's a survival superpower. The jelly-like structure distributes pressure evenly, like a diver's suit for the ultimate extreme environment. And those bumps, they're likely packed with nerve endings, making the snailfish a living radar, sensing prey or predators in pitch-black chaos. Unlike most fish, the bumpy snailfish doesn't swim much, it floats, using its buoyant body to drift with minimal effort. This saves energy in a world where a single meal could be a week away. It's like a ghost, haunting the deep with effortless grace. But here's the kicker. It's not alone. The 2025 expedition spotted dozens of these creatures, suggesting a hidden population thriving in the Pacific's uncharted canyons. Are they a new species, a lost tribe of snailfish? Scientists are still sequencing their DNA, but one thing's clear. The bumpy snailfish is a survivor, a testament to life's refusal to quit, no matter the odds. So what does a squishy fish in the Pacific abyss have to do with us? Everything. The bumpy snailfish is a mirror of our own resilience. Think about it. Humans have climbed Everest, walked on the moon, and sent probes to Mars. We too defy impossible odds just like this fish defies the crushing deep. It's antifreeze proteins. They're inspiring medical research. Scientists are studying them to develop better organ preservation techniques for transplants. Its ability to survive low oxygen. A clue to how we might adapt to extreme environments, from high-altitude cities to future space colonies. The snailfish's smile reminds us of our own capacity to face the unknown with courage. As marine biologist Dr. Sylvia Earle once said, the deep sea is not just a place, it's a teacher, showing us how life finds a way, no matter how dark the path. This creature's existence challenges us to ask, what limits are we willing to push? What depths, literal or metaphorical, are we brave enough to explore? The bumpy snailfish's proteins could one day save human lives by revolutionizing cryonics, keeping tissues alive in sub-zero conditions. This tiny fish might just hold the key to our future survival. But the deep isn't kind. The bumpy snailfish lives in a world of silent terror. Predators like viperfish and gulper eels lurk nearby, their glowing lures cutting through the dark like demonic fireflies. The snailfish's translucent body is its cloak of invisibility, blending into the void to avoid detection. Yet, it's not defenseless. Those sensory bumps might detect a predator's approach, letting it slip away like a phantom before jaws snap shut. Imagine the drama. A lone snailfish floating in the abyss senses a tremor. A viperfish with teeth like daggers closes in. The snailfish's heart, yes, it has one, beats slowly, conserving energy. In a split second it drifts upward, its jelly-like body dodging the attack. The predator vanishes and the snailfish's smile remains, untouched by the chaos. This is survival as high-stakes theater, played out in a world we'll never see. The bumpy snailfish's bumps may double as a primitive warning system, detecting pressure waves from predators up to 10 meters away. It's like having a sixth sense for survival in the dark. For all its resilience, the bumpy snailfish faces a growing threat, not from predators but from us. Deep-sea mining and trawling are creeping into its habitat, tearing up the ocean floor. Plastic pollution, even at 3,000 meters, chokes the food chain, starving creatures like the snailfish. Climate change warms the deep, disrupting the delicate balance of oxygen and nutrients. The irony: this fish, which survived eons in the harshest environment, might not survive humanity's greed. Conservationists are racing to map its habitat before it's lost. The 2025 discovery was a wake-up call. We've only explored 5% of the ocean. If we lose the bumpy snailfish before we even know it, what else will vanish forever? The bumpy snailfish isn't just a creature, it's a symbol. A reminder that life, no matter how small or strange, can conquer the impossible. Its smile, carved by millions of years of evolution, dares us to dream bigger, push harder, and protect the mysteries we've yet to uncover. In the words of Dr. Sylvia Earle, the deep sea is not just a place, it's a teacher. Let the bumpy snailfish teach us to smile in the face of darkness, to adapt, and to fight for a world where wonders like this can thrive. So the next time you think of the ocean, picture that smiling phantom defying the abyss. What other secrets are hiding down there? Stick with daily interesting animal mystery to find out. Hit that like button if this fish blew your mind and drop a comment. Would you face the deep to meet this creature? Subscribe now for more wild, shocking animal mysteries and support our channel to keep these stories alive. That's it for today's dive into the abyss, but the ocean's full of mysteries waiting to be explored. Subscribe to Daily Interesting Animal Mystery for daily doses of nature's wildest secrets. Like, share, and comment below. What's the creepiest deep-sea creature you want us to cover next? Support our channel to help us bring more of these incredible stories to you. See you tomorrow for another mind-blowing adventure.